Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this session, I'm going to explain what is a workflow in Jira. In Jira, a workflow is a set of rules that define how a piece of work called an issue should move through a process. A workflow consists of set of series of steps called statuses that an issue goes through as it progresses. Each state represents a state. So we have we can customize the workflow. These are the standard few examples, so high level workflows, how it works. And let's move on to the statuses. What is status and the transitions? So when you see in this workflow, open is a status. The issue is currently what status it is in, and in progress and done. And when you see the arrow between the open state to in progress status, this is called the transition. That means an issue is going to the in progress status. So this is called the transition. When you notice, you have seen three different colors. One is in the gray and one is in yellow. In some cases, it's going to be in blue. Most of the times, it's going to be in blue status and the green state. It has the color codes has a meaning. When you see the status in gray, that means it is in the to-do state or it is in the third party state. If the issue is in the third party, I'll explain more in my later sessions. So when you see the status in blue color, that means the issue is in progress. By saying that, the developers or the person or is working on the issue. And the color green says it's in the terminal status. Most of the times, if the issue is done, it will be in the green state. So the general workflow consists of statuses and transitions. And in the workflow, we have the to-do status, work-in status, and the end or the terminal status. An issue is in the to-do state would be one that has not yet been started. When issue is in progress state, that would be one that is currently being worked on, and if it is in the green state, it's been completed. So this we can customize the workflows based on the business need or the issues that we are working on. In the later advanced stages or in the working session of the how to create the workflow video, I'm going to explain how we can create the statuses and how we can define the transitions. And another thing I would like to emphasize in the workflows are, if you notice in this workflow, you have seen the transition to the to-do status is all, where at the same time for the done and for the in progress as well. So what does it mean? Why the transition is all to the in progress? Let's put it this way. Now the issue is in current status. To-do status. Because it's in the gray area, it is in the to-do status. That means we did not start working on it. So, apologize for the cough because of the bad weather. So when the issue is in the to-do status, the transition here is all. That means it can go to done status or it can go to in progress status, because it can transition to any statuses defined under this workflow. In this example, we have only two statuses, in progress and done. So again, since the transition for this status is all, it has a flexibility to go to in progress or it has a flexibility to go to done. Now let's go to in progress. Issue is in progress mode. After completing, obviously, it goes to done status. Why it is in the to do? Why it should go to the to do status? For example, the developer started working on the issue, and there is a dependency. Until it is done, they cannot complete the work. So what they are going to do, or another example is, they cannot, they are waiting for the some other work item, or some other requirement. So again, they will push back to do status. And now let's go to the done status. So in the straightforward method, to do, in progress, and done, after completing the issue, there may be some scenarios where they need to rework on it. So they can go back to the in progress mode, or they can reopen the issue by going to the to do mode. So thank you. I hope you understood what is a workflow, and I appreciate if you can subscribe to Jira Bakery. Thanks for watching.